Today, I'm going to show you how to access the FSTA Thesaurus when you're searching FSTA on Web of Science. The FSTA Thesaurus is the most comprehensive food and beverage thesaurus in the world. It contains about 17,000 keywords, all to do with food and beverages. And those index terms are used for indexing all of the records in FSTA, so it makes them easier for you to discover all of the relevant articles or patents, etc., um, which are relevant to your search query. But you can also use it for identifying the search terms you want to actually use for conducting your literature search. It's a really useful tool for that. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So on the default screen here, when I log into Upper Science, this is the first thing I see. It might look a little bit different for you depending on how it's been set up by your institution, but it's unlikely to be dramatically different. Now, we want to be searching FSTA specifically. So in the drop down in the middle, if you don't automatically see FSTA, the Food Science Resource, just click on that and it will bring up a list of the databases you have access to. And we're going to select FSTA. Now click on Advanced Search, scroll down, and on the right-hand side here, we're going to choose Descriptors. Descriptors is the word used in Web of Science for the search terms, for those index terms. And here we can add terms to build your search query. So you can browse if you wish. So for example, if we click on P, we've got almost 1,500 results starting with P. And this really shows the granularity of the index terms and quite how powerful that is. So there's 30 pages that we can scroll through. Or you could search for the term itself if you already know what you want to look for. So I'm going to type in egg. And as we can see, out of the 24 results, most of them include the word egg in them, but we have a really nice example here of how the thesaurus also includes the synonyms. So because aubergines is a synonym for eggplant, it's also brought that up in the list. Now let's choose a couple of options. I'm going to just select those dried egg search terms, add them to the query, and as you can see, Web of Science has then created that search query for us, which is fantastic. We're going to just click on search and it has searched the FSTA database for all of the records which have been indexed with the term dried egg products or dried eggs. So that is how to access the FSTA Thesaurus and how to use it to construct a search query. Happy searching!